Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to unfold your Zinc scooter. First, find the main folding clamp located near the base of the scooter's stem. Open this clamp, then pull the plastic lever upwards to unlock the folding mechanism. Now, gently lift the scooter's stem until it reaches a fully upright position. You should hear a clear click, indicating it is partially locked. Remember to keep your fingers away from all moving parts during this step to avoid any pinches. Now that the stem is upright, release the plastic lever. Next, you'll need to secure the main folding mechanism. On the opposite side of the clamp, turn the screw clockwise. Continue tightening until it feels firm enough to securely close the buckle. This step is crucial for the scooter's stability, so double-check that the buckle is completely closed and the entire folding mechanism is tightly engaged. This ensures a solid and safe base for your ride. With the main frame secure, let's adjust the handlebar height for your comfort. First, release the quick lock found on the handlebar stem. Then, press the small spring button and slide the handlebar up or down to your desired height. Make sure the spring button pops firmly into one of the fixation holes. This is vital for safety. This simple adjustment ensures a comfortable and ergonomic riding position for users of various heights, making your scooter experience much more enjoyable. Before you ride, always perform these essential final safety checks. Firmly tighten the quick lock on the handlebar stem to secure your chosen height. Next, carefully inspect all clamps, screws, and locking devices across the entire scooter to ensure they are fully engaged and tight. Finally, confirm that the handlebars are perfectly aligned straight with the front wheel. Taking these few moments to check everything will ensure a safe and smooth ride every single time you use your Zinc scooter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.